Truist Financial versus Comerica Bank. Which is better? In today's video, we'll be comparing Truist Financial and Comerica Bank to help you decide which one is the better choice for your financial needs. You'll find links to both banks in the description for easy access. Truist Financial, created from the merger of BB&T and SunTrust, is a large regional bank offering a wide range of services, including personal banking, mortgages, small business services, and wealth management. It serves customers across the southeastern and mid-Atlantic U.S. and is known for its robust mobile banking platform and innovative tech-driven services, making it ideal for customers who value a comprehensive range of financial services and convenience through technology. Whether you're an individual looking for a one-stop solution for your banking needs or a business owner seeking integrated financial services, Truist is well equipped to meet those demands. On the other hand, Comerica Bank operates primarily in the Midwest and parts of Texas and is known for providing both personal and business banking services with a strong emphasis on relationship banking. Comerica's key differentiator lies in its deep focus on business services, offering specialized solutions for businesses of all sizes, from small startups to large corporations. They are particularly known for their commercial lending options and cash management services, which make them a solid option for business owners. Comerica also provides various personal banking products, such as checking accounts, savings accounts, and loans. But their true strength lies in their business and commercial banking services. If you're a small business owner or entrepreneur seeking tailored financial solutions, Comerica's expertise in this area could be invaluable. Ultimately, Truist Financial is a better option if you need a broad, tech-forward bank with a variety of financial products and a national reach. However, if you're a business owner looking for specialized services and a strong regional presence, Comerica Bank offers superior business banking capabilities. Check the links in the description for more detailed information.